morning, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about the OOPS concept of data abstraction. Data abstraction play an important role in OOPS concept. Exactly its meaning is to hide the internal details of a particular object to use its features. That is called data abstraction. Generally, in a daily life, we are working with the abstraction. Means say a class, predefined class or a user defined class having several methods, and these methods we can use within our programming directly. So that provides an encapsulation of a data and operations and information hiding, which hide the internal details and access through the operations, make the program independent of implementation and increasing reliability. So this is the most important features of a object-oriented programming. So the class has encapsulated data and its operations, no information hiding. Whereas in C++, it uses the access specifier like a public, private and protected, through which data are accessible. According to the access specifier, the data is accessible. In this way, the data abstraction is maintained. So the member functions known as the methods, and the field method, it has own visibility specifier. It must be defined in one file. It cannot be split into header implementation. Java DOC facility allow the automatic generation of a documentation, and based on object-oriented programming, it solves the program by modeling the real-world concept. A program is a collection of a interacting object. When designing a program, first focus on the data object involved. Understand their model with their interaction. The abstraction play an important role because of through object we can able to access the data from a particular block. Thank you.